All right, so most people use AI for marketing to talk more, but smart marketers use AI to listen better. And that difference alone explains why some businesses cut through the noise, while others, well, they just add to the noise. Hi, I'm Allen Stafford, and this is Marketing Binder, where I help small businesses think clearly about marketing so they can use AI without hype, overwhelm, or bad decisions. This is part 2 of a short series on using AI for marketing without becoming a cookie cutter. So in the first video, we talked about, why AI makes marketing generic when it replaces your thinking, basically. And today in this video, we're talking about the smartest use of AI, and it has nothing to do with writing content. All right, so most marketing doesn't fail because of bad writing. It fails because of bad assumptions. You see, businesses guess what customers want. They guess what matters, and they also guess what objections they have. Then they use AI to confidently scale those guesses. Hey, that's not strategy, that's faster guessing. So here's the truth. Your customers are already telling you exactly what matters to them. They do this in your reviews, emails, support tickets, sales calls, chat logs. The problem isn't lack of data, it's lack of pattern recognition. And that's where AI shines. See, AI is excellent at spotting what repeats, what clusters, and what emotions show up again and again. So here's a simple way to use AI for marketing this week. Take 20 to 50 customer reviews or batch of emails or messages and paste them into AI and ask this question. What problems show up most often about your product or your business? Or what words do customers repeat? Or what are people worried about before they buy? See, what you'll get back isn't copy, it's going to be clarity. Now your marketing reflects reality instead of just assumptions. You see, this matters because people don't buy logically first. They don't use logic. They decide emotionally and justify logically after they make the purchase. So if your marketing doesn't reflect how customers feel, confusion, risk, frustration, relief, no amount of clever wording is going to convert them. AI helps you surface those emotional patterns much faster. So using AI for marketing, well, it's not about sounding smarter. It's about actually understanding your customers better. When you listen first, the writing becomes obvious. And in the next video, what we're going to do is talk about personalization, and not the creepy kind, not the robotic kind, but how to use AI to reduce confusion and help the right message land with the right person.